Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Canon imagePROGRAF TA-20 color 24-inch large format printer plotter with stand. This beast of a printer is designed to take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm here to tell you all about it. First, let's talk about the paper roll size. The Canon imagePROGRAF TA-20 supports paper rolls ranging from 8 to 24 inches with a 2-inch core. This is a game changer for anyone who needs to print large format documents, posters, or even artwork. The versatility in paper size means you can print anything from architectural designs to stunning photographs, all with incredible precision and detail. Imagine being able to print your favorite memories or designs in large format without having to compromise on quality. The TA-20 makes it possible, and it's a real showstopper. Another key feature that sets the Canon imagePROGRAF TA-20 apart is the 5-color ink system. The printer comes with 5 ink cartridges, which provide a wide range of colors and shades, resulting in vibrant and accurate prints. Whether you're printing photographs, graphics, or text, the TA-20's ink system ensures that your prints look stunning and professional. The 5-color system also means you can achieve a wider range of colors, making it perfect for artists, designers, and photographers who demand the best. Plus, with the included ink cartridges, you can start printing right out of the box without any additional costs. The printhead is another crucial component of the Canon imagePROGRAF TA-20, and I'm happy to report that it's included with the printer. The printhead is responsible for applying the ink onto the paper, and it's what sets the TA-20 apart from other large format printers. The printhead is designed to provide precise and consistent prints with minimal maintenance required. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your prints will turn out perfectly every time. The included printhead also saves you money, as you won't have to purchase it separately. Last but not least, the Canon imagePROGRAF TA-20 comes with a sturdy stand, which is a must-have for any large format printer. The stand provides a stable and secure base for the printer, allowing you to print with ease and precision. The stand also makes it easy to move the printer around, should you need to. The included stand is a testament to Canon's attention to detail and commitment to providing a comprehensive printing solution. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TA-20 color 24-inch large format printer plotter with stand is an incredible piece of technology that's perfect for anyone who needs to print large format documents or artwork. With its versatile paper roll size, 5-color ink system, included printhead, and sturdy stand, this printer is a game changer. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the TA-20 is sure to exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Canon imagePROGRAF TA-20 today and take your printing experience to new heights. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a real masterpiece, and it's going to change the way